We've been called for a Russell's Viper adaptive. We are trying to find house number 22, which Chayant may not know. It's actually 22.
Side number 22 का
22
बस ठीक
ದೊಡ್ಡದಾ?
ಕಲ್ ಕೆಳಗಿದೆ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ.
Right,
ಕಲ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು.
can you see it?
just the snout poking through over
Okay,
here.
wait. Let's
It's a bit
just,
big.
okay, we'll
This is
set it
not-
up and then.
Puttikong won't do it.
But a nice spot. It's not gonna escape, so it's fine. And kal kodi. That's too small, da. Okay, fine. Alrighty. How do we move this?
So head is sticking out this way.
No, I think we should have had the gatapara.
Don't drag it.
I see it. It's not too big. One second, I think I might even use this instead. Yeah, just in case.
Head is here, no?
Yeah. One sec. Yeah, head is there. I'll use this pipe, I think. No?
Yeah. Use whatever you want to use.
Okay. Movement ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Just stay where you are. Is he going? He's not going. Hey.
Don't let it go.
Hey.
Grab.
No, it's okay. Leave it. I saw that late. Leave it. I'll just manage with this.
If you can't look in, don't touch that thing.
I didn't see that gap. I saw it
So at
much.
that point, you have to
Grab.
be prepared to let go of the hook.
Cool. Okay. किंग नोटिस दो आपने देखा क्या? बहुत ही जहरीला है ये. इसको रसल्स वाइपर बोलते हैं. हाँ,
कहाँ देखते?
उधर ही था क्या उसका?
इधर से आया इधर
हाँ,
इधर जा रहा था उधर से.
अच्छा, ठीक है. I'll leave it somewhere right in the middle. No,
Or if you want even more bushy area, we can.
no, dude. Let him figure out. Ring, and I leave it there basically. Now I use the stick. This is the only way I can ensure that I am safe. Go, man. Yeah. Come on, bugger. Sweet fellow. Wanna go back in?
Nice.
Nice looking fellow, no? Wow. Go. Keep going.
Just watch.
Huh?
Just watch.
Oi, don't come this side. Bugger. What a beauty, dude. No?
Yeah. But see, compared to those orchard ones,
Hmm.
they're not really that big.
Yeah. I mean, Orchard was insane, boss. Orchard was like, oi.
Yeah.
He's going towards it's okay, let him go.
Yeah.
If he's going inside that, it's okay.
Okay, let's go.
He's coming onto the path. Sweet. Alrighty, successful. Yes.